This video is basically to thank all the YouTube creators out there. I can't even begin to tell you how much and how grateful I am that you are out there to help us. Yes, I happen to be one of you guys, but nobody really takes for granted what you guys do out there. And what I'm going to mean by that is, a typical example is the other day, my laptop gave me problems. It wouldn't connect to the Wi-Fi. So I know my Wi-Fi in the house was good because everything else was working fine, but the laptop just wouldn't connect. So I took out my phone, typed on the thing, went to YouTube, typed in laptop won't connect to the Wi-Fi. And there was some gentleman telling me exactly 7 steps to go through, step by step. We'll start with the easiest one all the way down to the hardest to see if we can repair my laptop. By the 3rd time, he actually did fix the laptops. I am grateful for them. And I mean, all he got was maybe a subscribe and a thumbs up. He probably took 2 hours of his life, or maybe 4 hours of his life, to try to help somebody else out. And the reason I bring this up is YouTube itself has helped me out tremendously, and it's really the creators out there. I mean, I've learned Fusion through them. I've learned WordPress through them. I've built websites through them. I haven't tried to learn Spanish yet through them. But anything I'm trying to look for, I usually can find it. I mean, going back 10 years ago, I needed to know how to adjust the valves on my car. Or on my truck. This is well before YouTube was really big out then. And I literally went, okay, in 1986 Toyota 4x4, how to adjust the valves. And here was this gentleman out there with a phone hanging over a engine, saying, okay, take this wrench, put it on this pulley, turn it to this location, and use this feeler gauge, set it to this, it should feel like this. Okay, you're done with that valve, let's stop and let's move it to the next location. And he worked his way all the way through how to set the valves in the car. I am so grateful for that gentleman. And again, the most I could give him was a thumbs up and a thank you in the comment section for him taking the time out of his day to help other people. Like I said, there's so much that you guys do for us. If I need to know how to bake something, I can look, I need to know how to make English muffins. I can go on there and somebody's out there making English muffins. So this video is basically, the only thing I want to do is thank each and every one of you creators, even the ones that are trying to make money and the ones that are just trying to help other people. With people like you and me trying to change the world and help each other, we are doing a small thing in this great big universe of ours. It's just the little things that you guys do. And you don't get a lot of credit for it, so I'm trying to give you guys some credit for it. Like I said, most of the stuff I've learned from YouTube. And I also sometimes like the goofy stuff, but I don't necessarily subscribe to the goofy stuff. I necessarily subscribe to the stuff that I'm going to use down the road. But once again, I just want to say thank you. I'm very grateful for everything all you creators do out there. And have a great day. This is Trash Can Guy signing out. Thank you.